Hi guys, hope you all are doing well and doing safe. Welcome back to my channel or welcome if you're new here. My name is Dipanita. Okay, second video with same dress, but that's okay because today's video is going to be really interesting as I will be doing something that I haven't done before. Okay, I will be trying out nose strips to remove my blackheads and whiteheads. Previously I used to use those scrubs, but recently I got my hands on this Sunfi deep purifying nose strips. So I will be trying out these nose strips for the very first time and I will be sharing my first impression, my first experience with you guys. Now I have seen a lot of influencers, YouTubers trying out the nose strips and वो बहुत ज़्यादा satisfying लगती है मुझे. कुछ लोगों के लिए ना ये gross हो सकती है, but I don't know, मेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा satisfying है. Like जब भी मैं किसी को देखती हूँ कि वो ऐसे nose strips को peel करती है, मेरे लिए वो बहुत ज़्यादा satisfying है. Okay. And I will apply and remove the nose strips on natural sunlight ताकि आप लोगों को वो एकदम clearly दिख जाए कि ये कैसे वर्क करती है. But before that, let me quickly give you guys a review. So this is the Sunfi Deep Purifying Nose Strips. It comes with 6 strips and the price is 199 rupees. Now the application is quite easy. It says that you need to clean your face with water and then you need to wet your nose area thoroughly with water and then you have to open the purifying nose strips and then apply the purifying nose strips. You have to wait for 10 to 15 minutes and then you have to peel it off. The instructions are given over here, so you can just go through that before applying the product. Also, I just want to tell you guys that if you have very sensitive skin or irritated nose area, then I would say don't try it और डू अ पैच टेस्ट बिफोर यूजिंग दिस. चारकोल है इसमें एंड चारकोल बहुत लोगों को सूट नहीं करती है, सो आई वुड सजेस्ट ट्राई टू डू अ पैच टेस्ट बिफोर अप्लाइंग दिस थिंग. एंड इसके बेनिफिट्स मैं आप लोगों को क्विकली बता देती हूँ. ओके, सो इट सेज दैट दिस नोज स्ट्रिप्स विल अनक्लॉग पोर्स, इट विल रिमूव stubborn blackheads, it's enriched with Fuji green tea and witch hazel. It deeply purifies skin and cleanses skin, leaving it smooth. It effectively removes blackheads and whiteheads for clear pores. Also, it designed specially for the nose area for a hassle-free application. Now let's quickly apply the product and let's see how it removes my blackheads and whiteheads. First, I'm applying water. I'll gently peel the strip from the plastic palette and I'm applying it. Position wise cuts है, that's why ये आपकी nose पे एकदम properly fit हो जाएगी. Now I will wait for 10 to 15 minutes and then we will peel it together. I have seen a lot of people saying that nose strips removal के time पे painful हो जाती है, but trust me, ये nose strips बिल्कुल भी painful नहीं है and मैं इसको easily remove कर पा रही हूँ. अगर आपकी like nose area पे facial hair है, then हो सकता है कि आपको थोड़ी सी problem हो. Here comes the result. मैं strips को थोड़ी सी close up पे आप लोगों को दिखा रही हूँ. I know कुछ लोगों के लिए gross हो सकती है, but it's my duty to show you guys the exact results. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. देखो black strips है, that's why blackhead तो visible नहीं हो पाएगी, but जो whiteheads है वो clearly visible है and you guys can see that मेरे blackheads completely remove हो गई हैं. After that मैं मेरी nose area को हल्का सा clean कर लूँगी because थोड़ी सी वो black marks रह गई थी. सरप्राइजिंगली मेरी स्किन बिल्कुल भी इरिटेट नहीं कर रही है. जब भी मैं पील ऑफ मास्क यूज़ करती हूँ या तो चारकोल मास्क यूज़ करती हूँ, मेरी स्किन हमेशा इरिटेट फील करती है, बट ये नोज स्ट्रिप्स से ना मुझे ऐसे कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रही है, विच इज़ रियली अप्रिशिएटिंग. सो दिस वाज माई फर्स्ट टाइम जब मैं कोई नोज स्ट्रिप्स यूज़ कर रही हूँ टू रिमूव माई ब्लैक हेड्स एंड वाइट हेड्स एंड आई एम क्वाइट इम्प्रेस्ड. बहुत ही ईजिली पेनलेसली मेरी ब्लैक हेड्स एंड वाइट हेड्स रिमूव हो गई हैं एंड like I absolutely loved the procedure. बहुत ज़्यादा satisfying थी for me. But yeah, I absolutely loved this nose strips by Sunfi. I would highly recommend this product to you guys. Try this out and then let me know your thoughts. I will provide the buying links in my description box, so please check out from there in case you are interested to buy this one. And yeah, see you guys soon. Bye and take care.